Medical coding is one of the most in-demand healthcare jobs in India, and most people don't even know if it exists. Now think about that for a second. A career field that is growing inside hospitals, pharma companies, and global healthcare systems, but still not talked about in colleges or in mainstream career discussions. And here is the interesting part. Medical coders are not just doing data entry, they are actually part of the system that decides how hospitals get paid, how insurance claims settle, and how medical data is recorded globally. So, in this video, I am going to explain what medical coding actually is, what ICD-10 and CPT codes mean, and how the real medical coding workflow works. And most importantly, how you can get hired in India. Stay till the end because I will show you the exact career roadmaps most people never get. Let's start simple. Whenever a patient visits a hospital, the series of things that happen are diagnosis is made, tests are conducted, procedures are performed, and treatment is given. But the problem here is all of this information is in clinical language, not in a standardized format that insurance companies or healthcare database can understand. So, what happens next? The entire medical information is converted into standard codes, and this process is called as medical coding. So, instead of writing patient diagnosed with type 2 diabetes and treated with insulin therapy, it gets converted into a structured code like ICD code and are recognized globally. Now, why it is important? Because these codes are usually used for insurance claims, hospital billings, medical records, healthcare analytics, and global reporting systems. So, in simple terms, medical coders act like translators between doctors and the healthcare financial system. Next, we have to understand what is medical coding really. Let's make it more clear. Medical coding is a process of converting diagnosis, any medical procedure, clinical findings, or treatments into standardized alphanumeric codes. And these codes are used across the entire healthcare industry. There are three major coding systems. First is ICD code, which is also known as International Classification of Disease. So this is basically used to represent diagnosis. Example, you have diabetes or a heart disease or any sort of infection. Now, another code is CPT code. Now, CPT means current procedural terminology. So basically, this is used for medical procedures. For example, if any surgery is performed, or maybe some diagnostic test is performed, or any sort of treatment is performed. So that is when CPT codes come into picture. Another third, the very important one, is the HCPCS codes. Now, it is Healthcare Common Procedure Coding System, which is mainly used into insurance and billing related procedures. Now, here's the key idea. Without coding, healthcare systems cannot function at a scale because everything would remain unstructured in medical language. The next part to understand is how medical coding works in real life scenarios. Let us walk through a simple and a real world workflow. Imagine a patient is visiting a hospital. Now, step one would be doctors write clinical notes. They'll make a diagnosis. Then there will be a treatment which will follow. To this, medical coder reads the documentation and they will convert everything into ICD and CPT codes. Now, from here, the insurance claim is processed. Now, the important part here is even a small mistake in coding can lead to a claim rejection, maybe a delay in a payment, or there may be a compliance issue, or an entire revenue will definitely be lost for the hospital. So the accuracy is extremely critical. This is not random data entry work. This is structured, detail-oriented, and healthcare documentation. Coming to medical coding prospects in India, why medical coding is growing in India? Now, let's understand why this career is growing so fast in India. India's medical coding market is growing at nearly 14% CAGR. And if you have to look at the global industry, it is expected to cross $71 billion by 2030. Data is coming from Indian Medical Coding Market Size Outlook, 24 to 2030, and Grand View Research. And healthcare companies worldwide are outsourcing more work to India than ever before. That's exactly why medical coding is becoming one of the fastest growing healthcare careers in India today. The first reason for this is global outsourcing. Many hospitals and insurance companies in the US and the Europe outsourcing coding work to India because of cost efficiency and skilled workforce availability. The second reason is healthcare digitalization. As hospitals move into electronic health records, coding demand is increasing rapidly. Third reason is insurance expansion. More people are now covered under the insurances, which increases claim processing workload. And finally, India is becoming a global hub for healthcare services, not just pharmaceuticals, but also medical operations support. So the demand for trained medical coders is rising every year. What you need to learn as a beginner, let's talk about this. Let us understand that what it actually takes to learn, as a beginner. Now, you don't need a medical degree to start. Just to start with, I want you to know that with any degree you have, you need to understand basic human anatomy, medical terminology, ICD-10 coding system, CPT coding's basics, attention to detail, and analytical thinking is a skill which is required. And most importantly, you need to practice, because coding is not theory based, it is skill based. Let us understand the steps we need to take to get hired in India. The most important aspect here is, how do you actually get a job? Let us divide it into different steps. Step 1 is learn the fundamentals. Start with ICD-10 and CPT basics. Step 2 is get trained in medical coding tools. Most companies use coding softwares and EHR systems. Step 3 is do certification. Certification increases your chances of selection significantly. Step 4 is apply to the right companies. Look for medical coding companies, healthcare BPOs, insurance companies, clinical research organizations. And step 5 is start with entry level roles. Common job roles include medical coder, coding analyst, claim processor, junior coding associate. Step 6 is gain experience and grow with experience. You can move into senior coding roles like auditing, compliance, revenue cycle management. So this is not just a job. It is a structured healthcare career. Let's be very clear about one thing. Medical coding is a high demand global healthcare career that connects medicine, data, and financial systems together. And the biggest advantage, you don't need a long medical degree to enter this field. At the same time, it is not an easy shortcut either, because success in this area depends on accuracy, practice, consistency, and domain understanding. So these are 4 parameters which are really, really important. So the real difference between someone who grows in the field and someone who struggles is very, very simple. How seriously they build their skills early. And if you are looking for a stable, structured career in healthcare, then medical coding is definitely worth exploring. Let us see today's key takeaway. Don't just watch this. Start learning ICD-10 and CPT today and build your path into medical coding step by step and experience hands-on practice. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.
Visit us today, www.clinilaunchresearch.in.